Hey guys, this is a Roblox dev, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a common door bug. So you have this door, right? You have a script in it, and the script is working. There's no problem, nothing's wrong with it. And then you go play the game. And then you go to your door and you try to open it, but it doesn't work. You know, it falls over as well. So how to solve this is actually pretty simple. So all you gotta do is select the model, right? Go to its hinge, and then anchor the hinge. After that is done, you can now open the door, and it works now. And if that doesn't work, and something like this happened, why doesn't it work? I anchored this. Well, you gotta check your script from that time. So you want to go to script, and you want to be moving the hinge, so the one on the side. You want to be moving that with twin surface, not the actual door. So over here, it was moving the door, which is not good. You want to switch it to hinge. And then, you redo, you restart, you move, and then that should work again. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.